Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast. Pull the rejection reason and the ad ID, then verify you have admin or advertiser access in Business Manager. Once done, download the creative and capture the landing page URL so you can compare elements against the policy. Make sure to note whether Facebook flagged content, targeting, or destination issues. This lets you prioritize fixes. Now open Ads Manager, locate the rejected ad, and prepare to edit or duplicate it so you can apply changes without losing data. Start by editing the creative. Remove questionable claims, blur or swap prohibited imagery, and change copy that makes unverifiable promises. Then verify targeting. Remove sensitive categories like health, politics, or personal attributes, and tighten audience criteria. Next, confirm destination settings. Remove disallowed landing content, fix broken links, and ensure tracking parameters don't mask final URLs. Also check technical specs, dimensions, file size, and character limits, so after publishing the corrected ad, submit an appeal listing the ad ID, what you changed, and concise evidence like before and after screenshots. Make sure to explain why the edit resolves the policy issue. If Facebook denies the appeal, escalate through Business Help Center and request live chat or case review. As a troubleshooting tip, recheck landing pages for hidden redirects or dynamic content that reintroduce banned elements. These often cause repeated rejections. If needed, swap creatives and retest with a small budget to validate approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.